Ito po ang Sablé Smart Printer Forehead C5. Sa loob po ng 6 na araw, nakatapos po ito ng 462 meters. Head clean. After ng head clean, punasan ng wiper. Nozzle check. Dito naman po nakalagay ang ating ink tank, ang AVR. Dito naman po nakalagay ang ating ink waste tank. Nalinis ko po ito March 13, 2024. Dito naman po nakalagay ang ating Sablé roll, 60 inch at ang 44 inch. Smart C5 daily checklist or smart foreheads. Daily output. Smart foreheads daily consumable output. Sablé roll, Poppy Jet Cyan, Poppy Jet Magenta, Poppy Jet Yellow at Poppy Jet Black.